I can say that these Vishayas are five. We call them Shabda or sound, which originates from space. Sparsha or touch, which originates from air. Rupa or sight, which originates from fire. Rasa or taste, which is of the nature of a liquid and it originates from water. And Gandha or smell, which originates from the earth. Now in English, हम ये कह रहे थे कि जो विषयों की बात की गई है, जो सात ज्वालाएं इन विषयों को प्रकाशित करती है, वे विषय हैं शब्द, स्पर्श, रूप, रस और गंध, और ये पांच महाभूतों से निकले हैं। शब्द आता है आकाश से, स्पर्श आता है वायु से, रूप आता है तेज से, जिसको हम कह देते हैं कभी कभी अग्नि। रस आता है रसीला जो होता है जल से, जल भी रसीला है, पानी जैसा है, और रस भी रसीला है, वह जल से आता है। शब्द, स्पर्श, रूप, रस, और पांचवा है गंध, जो कि आता है पृथ्वी से। अभी थोड़ा अंग्रेजी में। So these five originators of the five Vishayas or sense objects, namely space, air, heat or fire, water and earth, are known as the five Mahabhutas. What is a Mahabhuta? A Bhuta you translate sometimes as ghost, sometimes because there is no proper English term and people translate it as element. But when you say element, then those who are of the bent of mind of science, they say, why five elements? We have hundreds of elements in chemistry. You have to change the nomenclature. Then I say, no, you do not pay attention to what I am saying. I said Mahabhuta, the five great elements. So I am allergic to the word element. I will stick in my discourses to Mahabhuta. Maha means great. So the great bhutas, the great ghosts, bhuta is translated sometimes as ghost. The five unseen, powerful ingredients are the subtle form of space.